Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a slide switch. We will begin by understanding the fundamental operation of these versatile components. A slide switch mechanically opens or closes a circuit as its actuator moves. They are essential for many electronic projects, providing a straightforward method to control power or signal flow. You will learn about their internal workings and common configurations, setting the stage for practical wiring. Now, let's identify the crucial terminals on your slide switch. Most switches have at least 3 pins: a common input, a normally open output, and a normally closed output. The common pin is where your power or signal enters. You can use a multimeter set to continuity mode to easily determine which pin is which by observing the connection changes as you move the slider. This step is vital for correct wiring. For a basic single-pole double-throw setup, connect your power source's positive line to the switch's common terminal. Then, wire your desired load, such as an LED, from either the normally open or normally closed terminal to the circuit's ground. When the switch is in the on position, it will complete the circuit through the chosen output, powering your component. Always double-check your connections. Moving to more advanced applications, double-pole double-throw switches allow you to control 2 independent circuits with a single slider movement. These are excellent for tasks like reversing a small motor's direction or switching between 2 distinct power inputs. Remember, safety is paramount. Always ensure the power supply is completely disconnected before handling any wiring, and use correctly rated components for your project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.